So the next stitch I'm going to show you is couching. So this actually takes 2 threads. And when I say threads, what you use to couch onto could be thicker than embroidery thread. It could be some wool or even some fabric or a braid or anything you like really. But the whole process of couching, and it's wonderful for this sort of projects, it's nice and fast, is you can lay your piece of thread down that you're going to couch onto the surface and follow the line. So on this swirly pattern, what I'm planning to do is to put the white thread down, and then I'm going to just stitch it down with little stitches using this darker blue thread, which I'm not sure if you can see. So as I start working, it will become more clear, hopefully. So I'm going to start on the edge here. And my plan is just to trim off the end. You could, if you wanted to, bury it through to the back, which would be fine too. So I'm just going to do little tiny stitches. So come up from behind, like that. And then I'm just going to over sew. So do a little stitch that just tacks down the thread that you want to couch onto the surface. More fingers and thumbs here, but hopefully you can see that we're going to work nice and quickly, and there's no rules. We like it when there's no rules. You can make your little stitches holding your thread down as close together or as far apart as you wish. So couching is a nice fast way of getting colour down. And with this particular design, I just want to do some rows of colour following these lines around. So I'm just going to couch this white thread down and just going to follow the spiral around. So as you can see, quite quickly you're getting the element of the design showing through. And I'm putting my little anchoring stitches just under 1 centimetre apart. So the world's your oyster, really, when it comes to couching. You can couch down absolutely anything. And these little tiny stitches over the top just hold that thread down. And in turn, are holding the piece of wool that I'm stitching through. And then done with that. So really, really simple. Probably one of the fastest stitches that I'm going to show you on this project. But it just means that you can cover up some of the printed lines or the lines of the spiral design or the paisley designs in the kit really quickly. And you can put your own personality into it because you can choose whatever combination of thread colours that you wish. So I'm going to carry on, and I will see you again for the next stitch lesson.